Yo, what is going on YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get NHL 25 for free. This is available on all the good platforms, guys. So whether you play on Xbox, PlayStation, PC or Steam, you're going to be able to get NHL 25 for completely free. And it only takes a few minutes, guys. You're going to get a digital game code that you can redeem no matter which platform you play on. And you can get NHL 25 for free. So let's get into the tutorial, guys. It will take you between 5 and 10 minutes. So do just make sure you follow all of these instructions in this tutorial, and you're going to be playing it before you know it. So use your mobile phone. Very important you do this on your mobile phone, guys, because it makes the process 10 times more simple. And go to your internet and go to this website, guys. www.robotcoupons.com. So robot coupons, guys, very important you type this website correctly to end up here. Now this is a coupon codes website primarily, but they do also have game codes. You can see they have some of the latest games on here, and these are digital game codes that you can redeem. Oops, I've just dropped the phone. But basically, guys, look for the NHL 25 free game code page. You can scroll down and look for it, or you can go to the search bar at the top and type in NHL 25. Now, as I mentioned, you can get this game on Xbox or PlayStation, guys. So you just need to select which platform you want a copy of the game for. Now, do note that these codes are limited in number, so don't come on Robot Coupons if you want to try and get 100 copies of the game to make some money. You can only get one game code per person, guys. So you need to choose your platform, and this in this case, this is a free digital copy of NHL 25 for PlayStation. Now you will need to unlock your personal game code. As I mentioned, these are limited to one code per person. So what you're going to need to do, guys, is tap unlock code. Now, I'm not going to do this. I've already got my copy of the game and I don't want to waste these codes. But basically, you're going to see a new screen. And if this is your first time visiting Robot Coupons, you will likely need to verify you are a real person. That will take you between 5 and 10 minutes, but it's super simple, guys. Just verify yourself by completing a couple of the tasks. Just follow the instructions. And once you've done that, your code will then be revealed, and you can redeem it in the store of choice. So whether you play on Xbox or PlayStation, just redeem it in the store and it's going to download the full game. So that is how to do it, guys. Super easy method. Just go to Robot Coupons, search for the NHL 25 page and go ahead, verify yourself, unlock your code and enjoy, guys. Super fun game. It's going to save you a bunch of money because this game is not cheap. So I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace.